Today I will show you how to use a wired control handle to control an electric linear actuator. We need to use a wired control handle, a power adapter, and an electric linear actuator. The model of this control handle is 004311. The control handle has two interfaces: a power socket and a linear actuator 4-pin socket. The control handle has two buttons, an extended button or retracted button. Let's connect them below. First, connect the output plug of the DC power supply to the power socket of the control handle. And then connect the linear actuator to the 4-pin socket of the control handle. And then we can use the control handle to operate the linear actuator. The control handle works in momentary mode. The operation is as follows. Press and hold the extended button. The linear actuator extends outward. When the button is released, the linear actuator stops. Press and hold the retracted button. The linear actuator retracts inward. When the button is released, the linear actuator stops.